Someone here wants victory or meron siyang gustong ipanalo right here. This could be you or this could be the person that you're dealing with. But someone here wants victory. This is a wreath, a symbol of success. Yan. So, gusto nitong tao na to mga babes na maging matagumpay. At alam mo yung pakiramdam no, na I'm hearing recognized by you. So, gusto siguro niya no, na ma-recognize mo siya rito. Gusto niya mga babes na pwede magpapansin sa'yo or may makuha yung attention mo, no? But, with the 7 of Wands energy, it looks like this person is in a defensive mode. Not literally fighting for this. Parang nilalabanan niya pa. Gusto niya, pero parang nilalabanan niya. Parang ang gulo, diba? Gusto niya ng victory for you, pero nilalabanan niya rin ito at the same time. Parang meron siya ritong dahilan, no? Na yun yung dapat nating malaman. Kung bakit siya ganito. Parang meron sa kanya ritong nag-hold back, no? Parang gusto niya ng victory with you. Siguro ganito, para mas maintindihan ninyo. Sa isipan niya, gusto kanyang yakapin, gusto kanyang maging boyfriend, girlfriend, or gusto niya iparamdam sa'yo na mahal ka niya. Kasi there's love eh. Nararamdaman ko yung vibe. May love. No? Gusto niya yung ganon. Pero ang nakakaloka, this person is fighting. In reality, nilalabanan niya yun. So what? Diba? WTH. What the heck is the reason? Diba? Ba't siya ganyan? See? This person is not doing anything. Look at that. He's in a hangman position. Okay, so in short, nasa isa siyang hindi komportabling sitwasyon right now. So what's going on? What's really happening? Diba? See? I'm hearing that song. Actually, hindi ko alam yung title, no? Pero dun sa parte na alam kong mayroon ng iba. Ayun, no? Maagaw ka man ng iba sa akin. No? Drama. Tignan natin, no? Pero yun. Dun sa parte na yan. Alam niyo minsan, no, ang challenge kasi sa pagiging isang energy reader, no, kapag nakarinig ka, no, especially if you are a psychic energy reader, you have this kind of parang huhulaan mo, ano ba yun, ano ba yung narinig? Parang, alam mo yung ano, may quiz bee kami rito na parang may buzzer sa gitna, tapos yung title ng song, no, tapos pag mali ka, no, tapos kantahin mo na lang pag di mo alam yung title, mga ganun. Yeah, but someone here, no, is, I think, there could probably be a situation here wherein someone feels stuck right at this very moment. Okay, so bago natin simulan or mag-dive deeper sa reading na to, let's just lay all the energy sa ating table dito, no. So, so, hey there, collective. Thank you so much po sa patuloy at wala talaga ninyong sawa na pagsuporte sa akin dito. At sa mga new subscribers, hi! Hello! Yes po, ako po siya yan. Yan, mga babes. No, welcome kayo dito. You can also invite your other friends right here. And meron din tayong new channel, yung All About Taurus. Ang link is in the description box. Kung kayo ay Taurus or may Taurus kayo in your natal or birth chart, you might want to check that out. Or kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus or Taurians, you are also welcome there. So, keep on sharing, liking, subscribing dito sa channel na ite at doon. So, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. So, yun nga mga babes, nakikita ko rito, no? We have here the 6 of Swords energy, 8 of Swords energy. That is in reverse right here, 7 of Wands, 5 of Coins energy. So, someone here wants to move forward into something. This person wants change right here. Pero tingnan mo, ang daming delay, ang daming stopover, ang daming stop moment. Yan. Or may stuck moment siya rito. Gusto niya pagbabago pero wala siyang ginagawa. Stuck siya rito. Gusto niya makaalis. Pero parang alam mo, there is something here na nakikita siyang blockage. It has something to do with the 5 of Coins energy. No? 5 of Coins energy. Nilalabanan niya. No? Nilalabanan niya mga babes. No? Nilalabanan niya yan. Kung ano yung gusto niya rito. Pero mukhang wala siyang magawa about that. Parang kahit gano'n ko to ilaban, talo pa rin ako. Hindi. Parang kahit gano'n ko to i-push, wala. Hindi ko talaga magagawa ng paraan to ever. Gayon, no? I think this is the energy of someone here. Na meron siyang gustong tapusin. Okay? Actually, gusto niya talaga tapusin dito yung pagka-stuck ng kanyang sitwasyon right now. Okay? This person that we're talking about here, mahal ka nito? King of Cups energy is at the middle. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hey, mga babes, no, importante yung nasa gitna ng reading. This person loves you, but this person is keeping it all by his or herself. We do not have any gender. So, kung sino to, minamahal ka niya. Pero nakatago ito. At tingnan mo, 5 of Cups energy, 8 of Cups energy, Ace of Wands energy. This person has lots of passion towards you. Like, wala akong ibang napapansin. Tingnan mo. Isda to mga mahal, oh. Nasa gilid. May isang isda dito sa gilid yan, no. Ibig sabihin yan, okay, may isda dyan at meron pa rin dun sa likod mga ships, no. Wala siyang pakialam dyan, no. So, there could probably be a third party situation right here, no. Pwedeng may ibang rito na tao, no, sa picture. Pero ang focus niya is sa'yo. Pero tingnan mo, mas pinipili niya walang gawin dito. Mas pinipili niya na umalis or takasan itong feelings niya for you. Okay? Actually, gusto niya may mangyaring pagbabago rito. Tingnan mo, nilalaban niya Pero sadyang ang hirap na tanggalin or linisin or alisin nitong wall or blockage, no, sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Okay, so hindi ko alam. Nakakakuha ko dito ng scenario, no, na pwedeng ito yung ex ninyo kasi nandito rin yung 6 of Cups. Pwedeng ex nyo to, no, na wala na siyang magawa right now kasi you are now with someone else, no. Let's pertain to that song that the spirits and angel guides, no, pinarinig sa atin kanina, no. Maagaw ka man ng iba sa akin, yan, no, pero pwedeng siya yung nagpaagaw before. No? Pero ngayon, maaaring nasa stuck na siya ron. And then, ngayon, meron ka ng iba. No? So, this person right here, sa isip niya, excuse me, yakap ka pa niya. Sa isip niya, walang iba. That is the King of Cups. Even though there are other options around him or her, wala siya doon pakialam. This person's feelings for you is stronger, okay, sa kung ano man yung nararamdaman niya for other people. Okay? Alam mo yun, there are lots of fish in the sea or in the water. There's that fish, oh, pero hindi naman niya nililingon. Kasi para sa isang King of Cups, isa lamang ang minamahal niya. At yun walang iba kundi ikaw. Okay? So, I'm hearing mistakes. So, this person could probably had done something wrong in the past sa inyong connection. So, pwede nga ganon. First scenario, it could be someone here from the past. You could had the relationship in a romantic way with this person, but this person ended up being with someone else, no? So, pwede ngayon na parang nasa-stuck na siya ron. So, pwedeng meron na rin talagang not, no, na nakabuhol sa kanilang dalawa, no? At ngayon na gusto niya nang bumalik, no, parang ang hirap na. So, kung sino man tong person na to, no, pwedeng nakasabay-bay pa rin siya sa'yo rito, no? Pinipilit niyang wag, pero alam mo yung bugso ng damdamin, no? Pag mahal mo, no? Nangihina ka pag di mo siya nakita, okay? It almost kills this person. Okay? Na tinatanong ka lang niya sa malayo. Sometimes, pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya. No? I can see someone here, binababa yung phone niya. Okay? Maybe this person is browsing. Browsing, and then ibababa. Because the more this person looks at you, maybe sa social media, or maybe somewhere, any social media platforms, no? This person feels that hurt stronger, no? Kapag hindi ka niya nakikita. You see, whoever this person is, there's love here. Okay? So, second scenario for others, I'm picking the word fear, or I'm hearing this word in Tagalog, duwag. So, this person could probably, no, wala siyang lakas ng loob para aminin yung feelings niya sa'yo. So, this someone here could be, hindi kayo, naging kayo in a romantic way, pero hinahayaan lang niya rito na mahalin ka from afar, no? I'm hearing stupid. So, whatever the case may be, this is an action of someone here that's stupid. Kasi, nakuha ko rin talaga, no, na kung sino man tong person na to, okay, parang there is a chance, no, na meron naman chance para umiksena siya sa buhay mo, i-prove na gusto ka niya or mahal ka niya. If this is a new person, or let's just say not new person, pero hindi naman kayo naging kayo in a romantic way, pwedeng friend, pwedeng katrabaho, pwedeng kapitbahay, pwedeng kahit sino, pero meron siyang deep emotions and feelings for you, pero dahil duwag siya, hindi siya lumapit rito, tapos ngayon pinapatay niya yung feelings and emotions. Kaya ngayon, meron siya rito nakikitang blockage, no, na hindi niya matanggal-tanggal, at pwedeng yun yung pagiging duwag niya. At mukhang merong sitwasyon noon, no, na malayang pwede siya rito pumasok sa eksena, it's a chance, pero hindi niya grinab kasi duwag siya. Or hindi buo yung loob niya. That's the second scenario. So, alin man dun, that's also what I'm picking up. Look at that. Meron siya ritong sinasabi, no? Kung kami talaga. Okay? Let me tell you what I learned about destiny and fate. F-A-T-E. Destiny works if you also have this ambag. Diba sa school, pag wala kang ambag sa isang project, hindi rin nilalagay ng leader niyo ang pangalan mo sa project. Kaya yung iba napipilitan magbigay ng pampansit kanton, 'di ba? Lalo na kung sadyang tamad sila, no, may ambag pa rin sila, 'di ba? So, in destiny, in fate, yeah, it is the work of the divine. But still, this is you co-creating with the destiny, isn't it? Akala mo lang siguro wala kang ambag. Pero kasi ganito yan eh. 'Di ba? Everybody prays like this. Sana makatagpo ako ng isang taong nararapat para sa akin. Yan, no? Akala mo ba wala kang ambag doon na may biglang taong dumating sa buhay mo? Meron. Alam mo kung anong ambag mo doon? You work on yourself, nagpaganda ka, nagpalit ka ng hairstyle mo, nag-ayos ka, nag-glow up ka, nagpagwapo ka, no? Nagpunta ka sa gym, may effort kang nilabas, no? Without even knowing na yun na pala yung naging ambag mo. Because that is you preparing and trusting the universe, no? Parehas kayong may ambag dun sa destiny na binuo ninyo. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, that you have this power to create your own destiny. Diba? Dito, sinasabi niya kung kami. Okay? Tama naman siya ron. Pero kasi mga babes, no, wala siya ditong ginagawa. So, anong ambag niya? Wala siyang ginagawa rito, kundi nagpapakain siya sa fear, sa takot. Diba? This person is trying to start a conversation with you, but ended up putting the phone down, diba? Hanging the phone up. Look at that. Diba? Wala siyang ginagawa rito. Whether this is someone here na hindi naman kayo naging kayo ever, or whether this person right here, no, is letting this connection you with someone else. Alam mo yung iba, ito wala namang masama eh. Ito siguro yung iba is thinking, no, kasi meron akong reading rito na ginawa, no, na parang as long as hindi siya kinakasal or as long as hindi siya legally committed dun sa tao na yun, pwede ko ba siyang mahalin in a way? Yeah, you can always love a person, 'di ba? Whether that person is committed or not. Okay? Nagiging mali lang naman ang pagmamahal pag gumawa ka na ng aksyon na inagaw mo siya or whatever, pero hindi masamang magmahal. 'Di ba? Hindi rin masama na umasa ka pa rin no, sa puso mo. 'Di ba? Na one day, itong tao na to is magkakaroon kami rito ng happy ending together. Ganun, no? Yeah, whether that person is committed already, diba? Ang mali doon is kung gagawa ka ng paraan na makakasakit ng iba, no? Yung sinasabi ko kasi rito na kailangan may ambag ka is this is you. Pwede mo namang mahalin at magpakita pa rin ng concern dun sa tao na yun if you want. You can continue to love a person even though that person is committed, but make sure you will not do something foolish. Okay? Like, aagawin mo, makakasira ka ng pamilya or what, diba? Just create here your own world. You can manifest that person in a way, especially if hindi pa rin naman siya kinakasal, no? I'm not pushing you na gawin nyo talaga or whatever, no? Kasi there is nothing wrong in manifestation. You are not controlling other people's life because you're manifesting. Hindi yun ganun, no? This is you manifesting here, okay? And it is based on your love. Wala naman kayong ginagawa dito, hindi ba kayo nag-ritual, di rin mo kayo nag-aani. Manifestations is this is you sticking on to what you desire. Diba? Tsaka diba, lagi naman natin, alam naman natin mga babes, no, na hindi rin naman nag-i-end ang isang relationship once you got married. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi magtatagumpay yung marriage life nila or whatever, no. But, diba, hindi natin masasabi ang tadhana. Kasi ang divine is someone here that guides us. Diba? Hindi nila sinasabi na itigil mo na yan. Huwag mo na itong mahalin. Especially if there's nothing wrong about that person. Who knows? What's the divine's plan for you, isn't it? Diba? What if others nga find their destiny? Diba? May edad na sila. Diba? They're already in their 50s, already in their 60s, and their specific person enters their life and they're like, whoa. Diba? Is this really happening? Dumating pa rin siya sa mundo ko, dumating pa rin siya sa buhay ko. You will experience seeing wonders with your own eyes here. But this one, kung kami talaga. Parang pinapasadyos niya na nandito. Pero ang hindi ko kasi gusto rito, no, yung mga sumunod na mga cards, gusto niya kasi ng reconciliation with you. Pero tingnan wala siyang ginagawa. Feeling ko may gusot dito Okay? Na pinipili niya na lang takasan yung gusot. Nilalabanan niya yung pagmamahal niya for you guys. At nilalabanan niya rin tong sitwasyon niya to right now. Pero, hindi, this person just gives a little. Six of Swords is right here. Okay? It's not really a push. No? There are lots of stagnancy here. Diba? If you love a person, then fight. Diba? Especially kung yung kaduwagan mo na yan. Pagsisisihan mo yan one day. That you didn't even try. Okay? Mas maganda na mag-fail ka, na nag-try ka, kaysa yung hindi ka nag-try. Tapos inisip mo agad, nag-jump ka into conclusions na failed ka na agad. I'm not encouraging that very lousy, stupid action. Okay? So, yun. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Stupid is like foolish action, diba? So, yun nga. Okay? I'm not encouraging you to ruin the relationship na mahal ko siya, kung yung nararapat yung gano'n na eksena, kapasok ka ng pintuan nila na hindi gano'n. Okay? You have to, okay? Have this kind of inner knowing of what you really desire and what you really want. Okay? Because you do not know when destiny, okay, gonna knock, diba, sa inyong door. Diba? So, someone here, okay, is pinapairal niya rito mga babes, no, yung wala siyang gagawin ever. So, this person is just letting you go. Whether you're single right now or committed with someone else, especially if you are single and you are not with someone else, someone here is duwag, diba? And for those naman, no, na hindi pa naman married sa third party, okay, pero kung ano tong blockage na to, no, na hindi pa nila pinaglalaanan ng 101% full force na tanggalin tong blockage na to, parang hahayaan na lang nila na tuluyan kang mawala rito, na mawala na tong pag-ibig niya sa inyo. Yun ginagawa niya. Diba? Someone here is pulling back. Diba? Pulling back siya, pero sobrang gusto ka niya. Sobrang mahal ko to. Mahal ko si collective. Ganun. Diba? Well, I can see that whoever this person is, kailangan niya talaga mag-work hard really para sa sarili niya rito. Kasi there are lots of things na kailangan niyang i-fix sa sarili niya. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. At saka, mistakes are mistakes. Diba? Kaya nga yan mistakes eh. Kasi pwede mo yun itama. Pero kung wala kang gagawin na action para itama yan, wala rin mangyayari. Diba? So, yeah. Whoever is this, looks like hahayaan niya na maging ganito yung sitwasyon. And for how long, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan niya yan kaya, pero yun yung pinipili niya, ang walang gawin about this. Okay? So, thank you so much, Collective. Sana ngayon love and life. Annyeong!